Guess who it is, guys? I'm going to be drawing a mythical Pokemon. Today, I'm going to show you how to draw... Well, actually, I know it's supposed to be a surprise, but, spoiler alert, it's an electric type. And I'm going to... oh, right, I'll tell you guys. I'm going to show you how to draw Zeraora. Zeraora is an electric-type Pokemon, and he's known as the Thunderclap Pokemon. And he was first seen in the Pokemon movie The Power of Us, the sequel to I Choose You. If you must know by now, this wasn't the only time Zeraora was found. Zeraora was also in a two-part special event when Ash and Pikachu traveled to a parallel world, which was already eradicated by the Pokemon named Guzzlord. You must know Guzzlord is an Ultra Beast, one of the most powerful ones of all, which I'll be drawing up real soon. Till then, you'll have to stick with this for now. Man, did I draw the picture too big? Never mind, I'll just stick what I have now. Here's his nose. There we go. His ear. Next up, you just gotta draw his paw here. If you must know, Zeraora has like 4 fingers on each of his hand. Okay, when you draw his other arm, you must draw his spike down here, and his long claw. Okay, so here's his thumb. Each one of his thumbs have claws in them. There we go. There's his other hand. Okay, in the middle of that, you see Zeraora has like an electric blue palm. That's where he triggers his signature move, Plasma Fists. And another part of his body is this electric field on his on him. Here's his chest. And be sure to draw this part of him. And here's his foot here. Make sure to add some M, like appendages on his body. There we go. Make sure to add like 3 toes. And here we go. Okay, so here's his foot. Here's his M. Done here. And here's another, and when you see Zeraora has a spiky appendage on his back, that's his, I think that's his tail or something. And done. Done. And that's how you draw Zeraora. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe and a like and a comment. And I'll see you guys next. Oh yeah, I forgot. Here's his other lightning bolt. I think that's his mustache. And done. See you next time.